Everyone, this is Group 1 from EEE316 course, Microprocessor and Interfacing Laboratory. The name of our project is Touch Braille Keyboard with audio feedback. The main motivation of our project is to help visually impaired people to type more quickly, correctly, and easily. The project has major two parts. One is hardware part and another is software part. The hardware part can be divided into three portions. First one is the touch keyboard with capacitor sensing effect. The basic principle of capacitor sensing effect can be illustrated from this circuit. Here there is a 1 mega resistance and a source is connected to it. Though apparently we cannot trace, but signal takes some time to reach the receiving pin from ending pin. And if we connect a capacitor in series with the resistor, then it will take more time since the capacitor needs to be charged. In our case, the capacitor is formed with our human finger and the contact copper foil. When we touch the copper foil, the capacitor gets activated and it needs more time to reach the receiving pin, and this time delay can be traced in the Arduino portion.
Now come to the second part, and that is the display portion. Here we have used 16:2 LCD display, and this display will show the characters that are commanded through keyboard by the users. And here is the third part. You can see the third part, that is the micro SD card adapter. In this adapter we have inserted a micro SD card, and in the micro SD card there are 49 voice files that are stored. These voice files are recorded by using MATLAB at 16 kilohertz sampling rate at 8 bit per sample, and these files are saved as WAV files. And for hearing the sound we have used two loudspeaker. Anyone can use also headphones instead of the loudspeaker.
Okay, here comes the coding part. The coding part consists of two parts. The first part is about defining a number to a character, and the next part is using that number to get output from the LCD and the loudspeaker. To define a character with a number, we have assigned different number to the switches. For example, switch 1 has been assigned 40, switch 2 has been assigned 20, switch 3 10, switch 4 4, switch 5 2, and switch 6 is 1. Now to get which number is defining the character, we will add the values of the switches that are on at an instant. For example, let's give an example about B. We can see that for B, switch 1 and 2 has to be touched. So switch 1, the value of switch 1 is 40 and the value of switch 2 is 20. Adding them we can find 60. So for defining B we use 60. Now the second part is sending the 60 to the Arduino, and then Arduino gives output associated with 60 to the LCD display and the speaker. Now come to the, let's show the code. Here we can see the codes are there. Here are the setup part. Then in this section, from the loop part, we have done the work of defining a character with a number, and then here we have used that number to show the values in LCD, and then listen the character associated with the value in speaker. Here are some other functions showing LCD and others. In total we can see that there are totally 680 lines of code.
We have used a dot and a curve portion in our board to make the blind people understand the orientation of the board, and we have use the computers only for the power connection. It is not necessary to use the computer to run the project. Let's go to the demonstration. The code is already uploaded, so let's reset the Arduino.
Initialization successful. Start typing.
So we can now start typing, and let's go to the capital mode first.
Capital mode initiated.
So we have initiated capital mode. We will write B. So this is B. So let's B. Then we will write U in small letter. So U is here. So we can write here U. Then E. Then we will write T. T is here. T. Then we need a space. So we'll write here
G.
So we have made a blender. This is not space, this is G, so we need to correct it. And then so we have already have backspace option, so let's try it.
Backspace.
So this is the space actually, so space. Then we will again go to the capital mode, that is here.
Capital mode initiated.
Then we'll write E. Again capital mode.
Capital mode initiated.
Again E. Again capital mode.
Capital mode initiated.
Again E. Then we'll go to the number mode. Then we go to the number mode. Number mode is here. So
number mode initiated.
So we'll write 1. Then 1. Then we'll write 3.
C.
So we have forgot to go to the number mode, so we have to write C. So let's go to the backspace again. So go to the number mode again.
Number mode initiated.
So go to the 3. So let's go to the new line. Then we will write R. R is this is R. Let's go to the capital mode.
Capital mode initiated.
So R. Then we will write O. Then we will write C. Then we will write I think this is K. Then we can write exclamation. Oh, sorry, we have forgotten to write S. So this is S. And now let's go to the exclamation. So we have like many other things like question mark, we have full stop, and many other things, and we can even customize characters here. And we have also screen clear like this.
Screen cleared.
This is all we have done. Thank you everyone.